Hello and welcome. My name is Christian Rauchenwald, and today I want to ask you a very specific question. Aren't you sick and tired of watching all these make money quick videos, then going through hours of free webinars just to be sold some random $1,000, $100, $2,000 course again that still doesn't teach you how to earn money? Yeah. It's totally up to you if you keep believing that it's possible to make money without putting in some effort, or to take action, click on the button here and check out our 5-week program that is taught by successful entrepreneurs and will show you step by step how to create your offer, how to get into the right mindset, how to do the advertising, how to write the copy, and how to finally get your first sale. So the choice is yours. Either keep chasing those pipe dreams and the belief of money for nothing, or start taking action, click on the button and join our proven 5 weeks program.